So after a couple days of work with the FLATOUT suspension, this is the day that I test it. Now I have the spring rate all the way correctly done. I mean, I already did some jumps, I already did some trails. I'm in Cleghorn OHV at the moment, where last year this was a place where I bent my shocks the first time. So in total I broke 4 sets of shocks. So you guys know that I was running Pedder's suspension before, which was fantastic. I am very happy with Pedder's suspension. Can't say a bad word about these guys. I had the suspension for 50,000 kilometers, 30,000 miles in total, and the only issue I had was with the back shocks because of the weight of the car. This was not the issue of the shocks themselves. As long as the car was pretty much lightweight, for example, like I took it to Romania in 2024, the car had no issues. When I had a very lightweight setup with no people in the back like we drove last year, with not all of the stuff that we would carry, all the clothes, all the food, when the car was pretty much lightweight, I had 0 issues. I could also use them hard. So the problem that I was facing with the Forester and the shocks was that the back is very heavy. Actually the front also, because the weight is pretty much very evenly distributed. I mean, the tent is pulled up to the front, so it would, you know, create some force on the front suspension. We have steel bumper, we have off-road lights, we have winch, we have skid plates, we have the LED bar, we have a lot of things in the front that added some extra weight, but the most of the weight usually when we drive 3 or 2 people is in the back, because all of our clothes are there, all of our food and everything. So it was a natural thing that this suspension would not take that weight, and it was just struggle with it. So now after the test I'm gonna show you what I did with the suspension. I'm super happy with it. I'm very happy with the end result. So I can't be more than happy with the shocks themselves. The quality of the ride is absolutely amazing. I'm running Gr40's custom made with extended travel, with the full possibility to set the shocks. So I am very happy with the product. I'm very happy how Flat 4 Off-Road Canada, Chase Rather, how he took care of me when I had some doubts, when I had some issues and emotional breakdowns, because obviously I came here to ride and not work on the car all the time. So in the end I've managed it. Thank you Chase for all the support. Thank you FLATOUT for great suspension. All right, so time to go. Let's have some fun.